Hello everyone, Mike here, and we have a new delivery from Amazon. The Exerpeutic Foldable Upright Bike. Very popular on Amazon, so go ahead and unbox this and see how it does. So here it is, fully assembled. And it is battery operated, so you do not have to plug it in. The little screens there. Once you start moving it, it turns on. A basic display: time, odometer, calories burned, and then the speed you're going. You can adjust the tension there, and then you do have a place to put an iPhone if you'd like, or an Android, whatever you prefer. But there it is, pretty nice. It's $150. Pretty easy to assembly, and good little workout that you can do really anytime. Yeah, so overall, not bad for the price. And here's what it looks like folded up as well. So you can fold it up when you're not using it, take up less space. Pretty cool.